How you doing, people? Random here. So tonight we have a padlock, and this one came from Pick Me 1977. It's a American lock with a wafer core in it. I've had one of these before. I had the larger version, which is this one, which I just happen to have handy, and it was in the same state. It was no key, but this one has obviously been outside for quite a long time. And it's kind of crazy how something that looks this incredibly rusted still functions. I did have to put a new core in it because I didn't have the key, but the old one still turned. I don't have a wafer kit, so. But we're going to open this up. I hear my wife. Hello, how are you?
Good, you?
I'm pretty good. Just open up a lock. Do you come here to tickle me?
Can you do it as a tickle?
No, I cannot. This is truly a challenge. This really, I'm going to use that, eh? You realize I am going to use this. Jeepers creepers. You just turned a regular lock into a challenge lock in 2 seconds. There we go. She's open. Yeah, that's hilarious. Okay, so there's a screw in these ones, which is kind of cool. Now, just because you took the screw out, I get to get the core out. The core is still not want to come out, but you flip her over, and if you're lucky, you just give it a good whack. No. Come on. Might need something a little harder. How about the rubber floor? There we go. I just gotta find it. Yeah, sorry about that. We did get her out though. So you really just got to smack it. There's a pin on the inside. I'll show it to you. And it is right. I'll zoom in a little bit. And let her focus. Right in there. There's the pin. And it holds into this groove right here. Right there. So you take out the screw, pull that out, there you go. So now what I'll do is, I don't have a kit to replace these wafers, and with the little springs in there, I don't think they'd be too much fun. So what I did on the last one is I traded some guy and he traded me a new core and key. So you can't really make this a challenge lock, because I don't think you can make it any more difficult, because really nowhere to do anything. But either way, it's still pretty awesome. I love the old American locks. This one might not actually leave my collection, and I might just stick it up on the wall. But before I leave, I want to thank Pick Me 1977 for doing this trade with me and sending subscribers my way. I appreciate that very much. I want to thank everybody that joined, that watches my vids, and please like or subscribe if you like what you see, and take care and support your local locksmith.